Hey, David, how was your weekend?
Pretty good, thanks. I finally got some rest. How about you?
Busy as usual. I helped my sister move to her new apartment.
Oh, wow, that sounds exhausting.
It was. Boxes, furniture, cleaning, everything.
At least you spent time with your sister.
Yes, that part was nice. So, are you ready for the big presentation tomorrow?
I think so. I still need to finish some slides, though.
Do you need any help? I can review them if you want.
That would be great, actually. Thanks, Emily.
No problem. Send them to me before lunch and I'll take a look.
Perfect. By the way, did you hear about the new manager starting next week?
Yes, Mark told me this morning. I think his name is Mr. Bennett, right?
That's him. I checked his LinkedIn profile. He's worked at some big companies.
Interesting. I hope he's easier to work with than the last one.
Me too. The last manager was difficult.
That's a nice way to put it.
Anyway, let's hope for the best.
Agreed. Oh, are you joining the team lunch on Friday?
I wasn't sure. Where are we going?
To that new Italian restaurant near the park.
Sounds good. I love Italian food.
Me too. Their pasta is supposed to be amazing.
Count me in then.
Great! It'll be nice to relax with everyone outside the office.
Absolutely. We all need a break sometimes.
By the way, how's the new project coming along? With the client from Germany, right?
Yes, that one. It's going well, but they are very detail-oriented.
Germans usually are, but that can be a good thing.
True. They ask a lot of questions, though.
Better than not asking anything and having problems later.
Good point. It keeps us on our toes.
So, when's the deadline for that project?
The end of next month.
If you need help with the report, let me know.
I will, thanks. You're always so helpful.
That's what teammates are for.
Exactly. Well, I should get back to those slides before the boss asks.
Good idea. Send them to me when you're done.
Will do. Thanks again, Emily.
Anytime. It's my pleasure.